Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix screen time not working issue in this device. For this, go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option screen time. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option app and website activity. Tap on this one. Turn on app and website activity. Tap on this one. Okay. Then you can see the screen time here. If you are not able to see the screen time here, now you can see it is enabled. So if you are not able to see the screen time here, now scroll down, tap on the option content and privacy restrictions, turn on this one. Okay. Then also you are not able to see the screen time, then you need to check your date and time in your device. Otherwise just reset your device. Okay, so if you are facing any screen time not working issue, you can do these steps. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.